Hello, Joaquin. For today's lesson, we're going to be reading a book called A Puppy Named Boss. And in this story, we're going to come across a couple dogs named Jack, Daisy, Bella, and Rosie. And these dogs can't seem to find out what is in the yard. Let's do a quick picture walk and think about what do you think that they're going to find in their yard? What do you think they're going to find in their yard? Or what it is that they're talking about? Go ahead and do a quick picture walk in your book and predict what do you think that we're going to read about in our story. Before we get started also, and after you go ahead and predict, I want to go through the book and just point out some tricky vocabulary words. The first word that I want to point out to you is on page 7. On page 7, we have this word right here at the end of our sentence. And this word is excitedly. Excitedly. And when we do something excitedly, we're really happy about it. We're excited. The next word that I want to point out to you is on page 10. And that word is right here. This word is one that we might not see often, but this word is giraffe. Giraffe. Now, those are all the words that on page 12, I also want to point out our last one, and this word right here is twitched. And if we twitch, that means we kind of move really quick. Our ears move really fastly. So go ahead and get started with our book today.